Hi everyone, welcome to Noun News and Update. Today I want to show you how you can download your course materials irrespective of your courses that you are offering in Now. And it is very easy for you to know that if you don't get the hard copy, there is always a soft copy for it, which Now has provided. So we have a lot of students that are finding it difficult to download their course materials, and this video is meant to solve the problem that all students and most students are passing through at the moment. This video is going to give you a guide, step-by-step guide on how to go about it. Let's dive in. So, first thing you need to do, go to your browser. Either you are using Google Chrome, Firefox, Mozilla, any browser they are using. Then, by recommend that you use Firefox, um, web, Google Chrome or Opera. So you go to your browser, you type nou.edu.ng /e-Courseware. Can you see? So right now you need to put the faculty that you want to download your course materials from. Let's say for instance you're in the faculty of management science. So you're going to pay attention to this URL. See all this URL like this. You have to pay attention to it. Start with nou.edu.ng dash faculty dash of agriculture. That means we are going to agricultural science faculty to download their course material. So that is why you can see all the courses that are here now is for faculty of agriculture. So you can see it here. There are much. So if you're in faculty of agriculture and you are looking for your course material, especially of your course that you are studying, come to this place. So let's say you want to go to management science, you want to download your course. Well, if I search management science course from this place now, you will see that you will not see anything. Let's just search like something like boss 205. You will not see it because this is not where the course is. So let's go to management science. See where I'm going. I want to change this faculty to management science. So what I will do, I will just write management dash SC, which is implied science. So let's go there now. So I change it to management science. Let's see, we're going to go to that faculty. It's loading. Can you see? Definitely, it has gone to management science. This is management science courses. So you can search any of your courses here. If you are in management science, you're going to see. Let's say we are looking for boss that 205. Can you see? We can see it here now. We can download it. And many more courses of your faculty. You can see it here. Just come to this place, then you're going to see your courses here. So let's go to another faculty. Change this management science to sciences. So if you are in sciences, you can see it here. So let's do it here. So sciences. Because it's a sciences, it doesn't need SC at the front. So I just in the sciences. Let's check it out. We're going to see this like this. Then can you see it has gone to Faculty of Sciences? Can you see you can download any courses which meant under Faculty of Sciences from this place? You can search, you can do where you see CIT. Can you see? Oh, this is science. This is not computing. Let's search for bio. Can you see? This is bio. All the sciences courses that you are looking at here, you will see it here, and so on and so forth. So let's go to Faculty of Education. So let's go to Education. Let's do it here. So let's do. It's going to take us to Education. This is Educational Faculty. So you can search. Let's just put something like Edu. Can you see the course? Like Edu. Through something. Can you see all the edu courses? You can just search your courses here. It's very easy. So let's go to what else? Which one have we not checked? Let's go to earth sciences. Let's go to earth sciences. Um, let's go to earth sciences. So let's go then. So if you're in Faculty of Earth Sciences, you can see all your courses here. You can download all your courses. There are more more courses that you can download there. So this video is going to help you. I don't want to hear I don't know how to download it again. So watch this video to the end. You're going to see it and it's going to put you through on how to download your courses, especially of the faculty that you are looking at. We shut down one that we have not checked. Let's check maybe one more. Let's check social science. Social science. This is social science. Let's put it there. Can you see? Can you see? Just take me to social science. If we are looking for any poly or something, can you see? It's there. You can search your courses here. It's very important. So make sure that this URL is complete. I'm going to put it in the description of this video so that you can be able to change it to your faculty. And if you are having any difficulties, you can also still reach out to us or send a message. Or if you want us to do any video pertaining to what challenges you're having, definitely we are here to help you. Now news and updates is here to help you and navigate that. So this is how you can be able to download your course material, any course materials of your choice that you are finding difficult. So if you click on it now, you will download it easily. So that is the way how you're going to download it. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. The only thing that you can do for that will encourage us to do more videos and solve more problems for students. It's for you to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell, share, comment, and like. It's going to help us a lot. Thank you once again for staying to the end of the video. See you in our next video. Bye.